Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Dell monitor no sound, HDMI audio, volume control and audio source fix. Fix 1 is check the monitor volume. Press the menu button on your Dell monitor, then go to audio or sound setting. Then make sure the volume is turned up and mute is turned off. Then second one is select the correct audio output on your computer. Right click the sound icon on the taskbar, then select sound setting. Under output, choose your Dell monitor, then play a video to check if sounds work. Third one is check the HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Disconnect the HDMI or DisplayPort cable, then reconnect it firmly on both the monitor and computer. If possible, try another cable or another HDMI DP port. Fourth one is select the correct input source. Press the input source or menu button on the monitor, then choose the input you are using. Test the audio again. Fifth one is restart Windows Audio Services. Press Windows plus R, then type services.msc and press enter. Scroll down and find Windows Audio. Right click Windows Audio and select restart. Find Windows Audio endpoint builder, then right click it and select restart. Play audio again to check if the sound is working. Thanks for watching.